Ready? Rolling. Okay. How you all doing today? My name is Sergeant Camping. We're going to be talking about seatbelt safety. Okay, why do we use safety belts? Most accidents caused people die from are vehicle accidents under the age of 35. If you do wear a safety belt, you have a 50% chance of surviving during a vehicle accident. 63% of the people that do die in vehicle accidents are not wearing their safety belts. Normally you'd be out there going to the store, I need to go get some ice cream. You get in, hop in your vehicle, I don't need to put on my safety belt because I'm just going a couple blocks. But most people don't realize that 80% of the people that do die in vehicle accidents happen within 25 miles of their home under 40 miles an hour. Here's a human projectile. This person right here was not wearing their safety belt. They got a nice snapshot of it. You got a 25% greater chance of dying if you do get ejected from the vehicle. Here's a video. Roll over.
Is that a fucking person? What the fuck was that?
See, this person right here, he wasn't wearing a safety belt. If he actually was wearing his safety belt, he actually might have survived.
Except for bam right there. That was a person?
This next slide right here, taxi driver, not wearing a safety belt. Make sure you guys wear your safety belts.
I'm really scared, man.
I did a tally up. I talked to 88 people on this fob. 6% of those people actually said they do not wear safety belts in their POV. That's alarming to me because I'd like to save my life while I'm out there on the road. And only 69% actually said they always wear their safety belts. Okay, the type of safety belts, we got our 2-point, 3-point, 4-point, and we got our 5-point safety belt systems. This is our 2-point safety belt system. It just goes across your waist. This is a video on the 3-point system. It's going to demonstrate how to properly use a seat belt in a Humvee. As you can see, this is a 2-point safety belt. In all military Humvees, this is the kind that we use right now. It's a standard safety belt that you see in a regular POV. This is how we would properly use a seatbelt in a military Humvee. The next slide is a 4-point safety belt system. I'm here to demonstrate what we use on PLS and seatbelts. These are 4-point seatbelts. If you look down here, these are a little different from your normal vehicle seatbelts. They have 4 points. You got 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point up here, another point down here, another point up here, and then it latches right in the middle, as if you're in a car seat. So it actually goes across your safety belt and is held right across your shoulders, so it has a much more effectiveness as keeping you inside in case of a vehicle accident. Okay, next slide is a 5-point safety belt. This 5-point safety belt basically goes around the crotch area on the outside, across your waist and across your shoulders. That's our 5-point safety belt system. Okay, jobs that do require us wearing safety belts, you got your firefighters, you got your military personnel, law enforcement, pilots, and you do have race car drivers. Those are some examples of people who are required to wear safety belts. Right here, the accident scenes where people weren't wearing their safety belts, and if they put on their safety belt, it could have saved their life.
Not here on fall, but not
There's some military pictures. Okay, some quotes from the people that interviewed out here in the fog. They said, "I'm a living miracle." That was by Adam Smith. "Seatbelt saved my life" by James Adamson. And Specialist Montez, he said, "My brother died because he wasn't using a safety belt." Okay, we talked about the importance of safety belts, type of safety belts, jobs that require safety belts, and some quotes that people had said. And in conclusion, safety belts saves lives. Buckle up every time. Thank you for your participation.